Hello everybody, and welcome back to a brand new Call Wiggle video. Today I guess I thought Wiggles the sound of Halloween video that gets given on YouTube today, and I really enjoyed the songs on there, the acting, the set props. It looked colourful, it looked magical, and it looked colourful. And my favourite song in the video would have to be Swim Like a Fish. It really had a good instrumental on there, and I'm glad they brought back the joke in the short film. You make me feel like dancing, and it was really good. It went for 1 hour duration, and yeah, and there were intros to the songs. Before the song actually started, there were some intros, and then the song starts without the intro. So yeah, and Dippy Doo Dinosaur Dance was in there, and we saw a post of John Wiggle doing the pose, and it had a Dorothy hat from the olden days of the Wiggles, which is really cool. I also love how the Wiggles still got old props, because that'll be set back on the memories of the OG and the new Wiggles. I think this is a improvement of the other Wiggle videos. I think this got a step up from the other Wiggle videos that happened in the past. So I'm gonna give this what do I give it? A 9 out of 10. Yeah. And I don't know if it will come on DVD. I think on video you guys have to wait and see. You can go to your local DVD store if you want to. He is the sound of Halloween is gonna come to your the sound of Halloween DVD is gonna come to your DVD store. But great video, great acting, great pops, great music. The music on it was really, really good. I would recommend buying it and renting it on YouTube, iTunes, Amazon Prime. I think that's on there. Good check. And yeah, 9 out of 10. Great video, great acting, great sex pops, great Halloween fun. And see you next time. Keep on wiggling and happy Halloween, and make a new stay tuned to the code we wiggle. That's the spooky Halloween live. I did some tune from Pumpkin Face and Halloween Party, and yeah, and hope you're enjoying that. There will probably be a pre-show tomorrow if you like that. But until next time, keep on waiting for Kirby and happy Halloween.